Okay, so let's continue with the second part of lesson 57, and that is number 4. Number 5, which device can help automatically reduce energy wastage by controlling lights? Letter A, dimmer switches. Letter B, motion sensors. Letter C, old manual switches. Letter D, electrical fuses. Number 6, why is it important to seal gaps around doors and windows? Letter A, to prevent air leaks that cause heating or cooling loss. Letter B, to allow more natural airflow. Letter C, to increase light inside the room. Letter D, to make the house look bigger. Number 7, what is the benefit of using energy efficient appliances? Letter A, they use more electricity but last longer. Letter B, they consume less power to perform the same task. Letter C, they are cheaper to buy. Letter D, they use more heat energy. Number 8, which of these actions contributes to energy wastage in local businesses? Letter A, turning off equipment after work hours. Letter B, using timers for outdoor lighting. Letter C, leaving lights and machines running when not needed. Letter D, installing energy efficient windows. Number 9, how does using natural light help reduce energy consumption? Letter A, it heats up the room faster. Letter B, it eliminates the need for electric lights during the day. Letter C, it makes room cooler. Letter D, it increases electricity bills. Number 10, what is a good way to reduce standby power consumption? Letter A, leaving devices plugged in all the time. Letter B, unplugging chargers and electronics when not in use. Letter C, turning off devices but keeping them plugged in. Letter D, using devices during off-peak hours. Answer key for lesson 57. Please proceed to lesson 58. The answer key for lesson 56, difference between energy loss and energy wastage, is as follows. Number 1, B, energy that escapes naturally during a process like heat escaping through walls. Number 2, B, energy intentionally or unintentionally used without purpose, such as leaving lights on in empty rooms. Number 3, A, A, heat escaping through poorly insulated windows. Number 4, C, leaving the air conditioner on when no one is home. Number 5, B, to understand where energy savings can be made by fixing wastage. Number 6, C, turning off lights when not in use. Number 7, B, energy loss. Number 8, B, energy wastage. Number 9, B, energy wastage can be controlled or reduced by changing habits. Number 10, B, energy loss. And that's it for today's lesson on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. Bye-bye. See you in our next lesson. Thank you, everyone.